Good morning, this is Brent with the Blind Depot. We're out here again in Dallas. It is a sunny morning in the fall. I wanted to show you something really cool about this. This is the Universal MotionScreen, and we use the Phifer No-See-Um, and you can barely tell that there's a screen here, of course, until we have it start moving. And I've shown you these videos before. You can see through them. They block bugs really well, but my wife is always telling me, hey Brent, why don't you tell them about something new? So I'm going to show you something new that we did with this today. And it has to do with the fact that this wall right here is not exactly level to the track. So what we had to do with this is find a way to level it. So all of this white is going to turn clear when it dries. But this is a mounting channel for a screen mold. And what we were able to do is actually make it flush on this side here. A couple little screws that'll hold that in. And then on the other side, we were able to space this out so that now our track can run nice and flush with the cassette and everything moves perfectly. So as we back up, I'm going to show you how this looks. I'll try not to step into the pool. Again, this being a screen, just a standard insect screen, you're going to be able to see through it really well. It's not going to provide you any kind of privacy, which is not what it's intended for. There's no sun that comes directly onto this porch. It is sheerly for bug control. But customers are happy, they love it, and so do we. If you'd like us to do something like this for your house, you can give us a call at 972-644-9411, or you can hit us up on our website, which is blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are probably outside of our service area. We're going to finish cleaning up and head for the house, so thanks for watching.